Hi guys, this is JK. I bought a Dell monitor as my Mac display got damaged, so I bought this Dell display P24, which is the inches, 19, which is the year of the release, and HC. The C stands for collaboration. Yeah, this is S, but that's what I read. But how I see this is that this is especially the one which stands with the C, it's specially useful to connect with my Mac, so which I have here. So I want to connect with my C port, so I bought this version. I bought this on Flipkart. I tried to find in Amazon and Flipkart as well. The price is actually, it's like around like 1,500. It's cheaper in Flipkart, so I just bought it here. I took like almost 3 days. I know it's a lot of time I spent on this to get this, but finally I made up my mind to buy this. The main reason is that it's because of the C port. Yeah, because just with a single wire I can connect with my laptop for charging and also for the display connection. I'm gonna open this for your reference only. You can see here I haven't opened any of these things. Okay, the reason why I want to take this video is that just to make sure, I mean it's a costly item, just to make sure it's not defected. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a knife. I'm gonna cut through this whole thing. And then I think this is how I should unpack. Think there is okay, so I guess I can just like open like this. Cool. Okay, here it is. So the Dell, just to make sure, yes, p2419H. It's the same thing I have ordered, so there is no problem with that. So I'm unboxing now. The first thing I want to make sure is that the display is not broken. Before we go into what are the things they have shared, I mean this is a power card, this is the C port connection, and oh, this is the new, I think this is called the VGA cable if I'm not mistaken. Okay, it's look like my hard disk connector. This one, yeah, the standee. Actually, in the review videos when I was seeing, it was look. The look was very luxurious. It's okay. It's a sort of like a small mat. I think around like 1.5 kg. The second main reason why I bought is for this stand, because mostly I think I'll be using in the portable. In the portrait instead of the landscape. I wanted to see in like a taller view. So I have this, because this monitor you can like tilt it around, rotate it. You can do anything you want. Yeah, the flexibility is the main reason why I'm spending these extra bucks. There's nothing else here. I think this strap is for the like collecting all the wires and then like putting a knot. Other than this, let's see the display. There is a small dirt. I think it's nothing issue. Everything looks okay. Usually when we look at the photos from the this Amazon or all these websites, they try to like show it from here. When I first looked at it, it doesn't look nice. I mean, like, it looked like, what kind of design is this? But actually these cables are supposed, I mean, realistically they are here. Yeah, so maybe they would have shown from here, then like this, but the first picture itself they show this. So sometimes you will even reject the good monitors. The weight is not that heavy. I was thinking it's gonna be a lot. So just because it's just, I think 2 or 3 kg. In the specification they mentioned, I think 2.8. It's gonna be easy for me to move around from this room to the other room. It's not like slippery as well. In terms of the design, I think you have seen a lot of videos. It's a plain black thing. The screen is until here. So when you're watching a movie, it will be until here. And the small buttons. This is for this display adjustment. What I wanted to do is that I'm just gonna connect my C port from my laptop. But before that, I also need to make sure this standee is fit properly. I did see in videos how they did, but I think I'm gonna take some time. Small break. So I'm just gonna connect this base. It's pretty straightforward. I think we need I don't think we need any instrument to tighten this. It's a small the plus type screw. It's fit together. Now I need to connect these with the screen. I believe, maybe you can zoom in. It's a small thing. We just like put it here. That's it. That's it. Yeah, that's it. It's very simple. Actually, I'm waiting for my table, my desk, my new desk. So that's why we're just putting here. Let's try to, yeah, the portrait landscape. You can just do here, do this. I think I'll preferably use this mode. That's what I want. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a bit too much taller. Yeah, initially I was thinking about buying the 21. Then HC model, especially, it was in very high demand. This was the only like left out piece in the Flipkart. After I ordered, it was available in it's available in Amazon now. But yeah, let me connect the power cord. I'm gonna quickly do this. Where's my laptop? It's here. So yeah, the plug is an Indian plug. I mean the Indian British style. So it's a straight connection, or maybe just connect first here. Okay, and then all right, I wanted to make sure there is this. Okay, things look good. Okay, it's there. So the initial steps, we just need to like do an onboarding thing. Select the language. Yes, English. Just select the language. Okay. Select always on USB charging. Yes. So maybe they could have put the button here. It's easy for us to see. They say that display will go into power save mode in 4 minutes. Oh, no DG cable. So I'm just gonna connect my C port. How long is this? Just this. Yeah, just for this guy. The display is a costly one. It's a pretty new, but I broke it. So instead of changing the display, I'm just gonna buy a use it as a connection first. All right. So USB-T side. Okay, now I'm just gonna log in. What I need to do is that yeah, actually it's there. We don't need to. So where is my cursor? So I need to change this to this mirror display so I can show something. But yeah, it comes. It's easy. So the laptop is getting charger. It's charging. You can see, and it's connected. It's a single wire. So I'm pretty much happy. Actually, I want to look at this display, how they are. Maybe we can just play a small video just to see arrangement, mirror display. Yeah, I wanted to see. This is the sound. The sound is coming from here. Just
load in India versus biggest drug lord in Bangladesh. It's gonna get complicated.
the display is quite good.
It's always complicated.
That's it.
We'll wait. You gotta leave the kid.
I need you home.
I don't think there is a speaker here.
You rescue people.
Sometimes. Sometimes to do other things.
Okay. You can see here the display. The video comes until here. Also on the other side as well. Actually, I thought the 1080 the HD version is gonna be a bit lower than the Retina one, but actually it's not bad. Wow, I wanna try like reading a book. Maybe not bad. Okay, yes, I'm happy. I wanted to. Yeah, this is what I wanted to do actually. But yeah, I need to do some changes in my settings to make sure the display is on this mode. I need to see after like few hours how is my eyes after using the screen. Is it gonna be pain or is comfortable and all those things, not just in the bright light but also in the night mode as well. That's very important because more than 10 hours we're gonna spend with this guy, so he needs to be really like easy to embrace. Yeah, so yeah, this is what I mean. I played this song because you can see a lot of different colors they have used in this, so you can clearly like see how is the screen pixels and everything.